Hi, my name is Cherno Diallo, and today we're going to talk a little bit about GMOs, genetically modified organisms. You all heard of, you eating it now, and we all eat it. And but there is a lot of controversy, so we're going to try to explain a little bit what's that all about. Okay, let's go right to it. So we go by GMO, right? That's genetically modified organism. All right. Now, what does that mean? So, in real life, what we can have is you take corn, okay? Then you change the DNA of the corn and you get a new corn, but this one is resistant to Roundup, right? We all know that, heard that. Roundup ready, okay? So if you plant your corn, you can spray it with Roundup and everything else dies but your corn. So that's one. The second thing is you can take corn, change its DNA all again, and you get a new corn, and this one is insect resistant, all right? So when the insects come, they bite into this corn, then they die. And your corn is okay, all right? So the insects cannot eat up your corn. Or you can take watermelon and change the DNA of the watermelon DNA. Then we get another watermelon here. This one is seedless. Seedless. So this watermelon doesn't have seeds. You like eating that watermelon? Yes, I do. I do too. So that's good. This is good. This is good for the corn. This is good for the corn. Or you take onion. What is onion known for? It makes us cry when we handle it, right? So you take onion, you change the DNA, and you get another onion. But this one doesn't make you cry. No tears here, all right? No tears. Okay, so you go from onion that makes you cry, you change the DNA, you get onion that doesn't make you cry, no tears. This is seedless watermelon, this is insect resistant corn, and this is a Roundup resistant corn. So all these are called genetically modified organism, okay? It's everywhere today. Now, I think these are some of the progress we can talk about a little bit that are okay, that are good and palatable. We can live with that, I think. Now, where we get into trouble is when you take fish and you take part of the DNA of the fish and you put that into strawberry. Okay? So this strawberry doesn't freeze in the morning, doesn't get too cold. So if you take, we know that fish doesn't freeze. You take that, you take part of the DNA, you put that in strawberry, and the strawberry doesn't freeze in the morning like in Florida, cool weather, and farmers lose their crop if they freeze. But with this technology, it doesn't. So this is where we all have issues. You can't jump from fish to strawberry naturally. It takes man to do that. So we take the DNA and put it in here. These, no issues. Onion to onion, corn to corn, corn to corn. That's watermelon to watermelon, that's fine. But when you take fish and put into strawberry, that's where the problem starts, okay? Now, let's say that's the first problem is from one species to the other. That's where we get the controversy. Then the second issue is for OGM, the GMO, I would say, GMO, you need to buy it every year. Okay? Every year you come, you buy it. Every year you come, you buy it. Every year you come, you buy it. You can't save it. If you buy in 24, in 2025, you need to buy it again. In 2026, you have to buy it again. You can't save this and plant it here, or save this and use it here, okay? So the price, that's a problem, and jumping from one species to the other is also a big problem, right? So this is GMO issues shortly. In short, that we just talk about a little bit. So I hope you understand a little better what GMO is about and where you stand. Okay? Thank you.